Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can publish your game here in Roblox Studio. Let's get started. So first, what we want to do after we have our game ready here, after we have it, then we'll go here on File and go to save to Roblox as so that we can save our game. And let's choose this and you can add a new place and then you can here, you can create here, but I have already done that, so I'm not going to do that. So if you haven't done this, then we can go and you can create our wall here. After you have see your game, you want to go here insert creations and you can see here this is your creation here, the game that you have created in Roblox Studio. Now here, let's go back to Roblox Studio so that we can publish our game. And now here, what we want to do is go here and publish to Roblox as, and you want to click on the existing games, and then you will mark go here to add as a new place, and we'll click on create. There, and as you can see, it has not successfully been published. You may find this place, then put in your usernames, please, and then close, and then go back here to the Roblox website, and then here in creations, they'll just freshness. So we got to recomplete again. Refresh our their site here, and now we get play this after you have published it. You just need to click it, and here, as you can see, you can play it as you want, and your date is now published.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.